Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, test and review the Voger x100 PriorPad tablet. Hopefully my video will help you with your buying decision. Inside the box there is the tablet, the USB cable, the USB charger, the user manual and the warranty card. Now let's explore the tablet from the outside. The screen size is 10.1 inches, which is great for watching movies and for reading ebooks. It has a 2 megapixel front camera and an 8 megapixel rear camera, which is good for making video calls. The tablet comes with a micro USB port for charging. It has 32 gigabytes of internal storage space, but if you need more space, you can add a micro SD card with up to 128 gigabytes. To add an SD card, just slide the card into the slot and push it down as illustrated. You also have a slot for external wired headphones. On the back of the tablet, you have 2 speakers. It has a quad-core processor and 2 GB RAM, which gives good performance when browsing, playing light games, or for your children to do their homework. It has 5000 mAh battery with up to 5 hours of usage time. Now let's explore it from inside. It comes with Android 10 version supporting the majority of its features. Because it has one of the latest software versions, you can download and install most apps and games available today. The touchscreen on the tablet responds well when tapping and swiping. It supports dark theme, which you can enable in display. Enabling dark theme will help increase your battery life. The Bluetooth mode connects well to other devices. I've already paired my tablet to my wireless earbuds, so let's test it. As you can see, my earbuds connect straight away when I get them out of the box. You can also pair your tablet with your laptop and transfer files over Bluetooth. You also have the reading mode feature, which helps protect your eyes when reading. The tablet has the location feature, which means that you can use the tablet as a GPS navigator, but you will need to be connected to the internet through Wi-Fi for traffic updates. The tablet supports dual Wi-Fi modes, so you can connect it to 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz networks. As you can see, I'm currently connected to my 2.4 GHz network, and I can switch easily to my 5 GHz network, which is a quicker option. The tablet has a reasonable speed when browsing the internet. As you can see, it's really easy to type and browse web pages. Now let's go to Gallery to show you some of the pictures I've taken with the tablet. These are some of the pictures I've taken using the back camera. Finally, you can also connect the USB cable to your tablet on one end and to your laptop on the other end. By doing this, you will be able to transfer your files between the 2 devices. Overall, this tablet represents great value for money. I recommend buying this tablet for browsing, watching movies or reading. Also, your kids can use it to watch lessons, do their homework or play light games. The front and back camera enables you to make video calls. If you have any questions about this product, please leave a comment below this video. If you like what you see and you want to buy this product, you can use the links provided in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and reviews on the latest technologies. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.